trying to move. Oh my god. Let's see. I'm gonna move downstairs because the Wi-Fi is cutting in and out. Ooh. It was good talk. Let me just move downstairs. Whoosh, whoosh. Hopefully it's better here and it doesn't disconnect on me. I can just do this for now. I'll move later. Okay. Yeah. Well, you have to move your stuff too, though. No rush. No rush. Let me see if I can fix everything. We have 9:30 in 10 seconds. Just keeping an eye on that. It's 9:30. All right. Let's see what Price wants to do. Let's see. Let me see chat. All right, there it is. There's chat. I can see price continue to go higher, just temporarily though. I'll have to see, or it's just gonna completely flip. Let's see. No, I'm kidding. Let's see. Yeah, I can see it. Let's see. That's why we wait. All right, give me a sec. I'm gonna move again. Be right back. All right, I'm back. Let's see what price want to do. I have to like pop out chat. Pop out chat. Put it here. It's a little annoying, but it's okay. It's alright, guys. Okay. And now we wait. And now we do what we've always been doing. there's previous session low taken. This looks like it could be a potential setup with why I'm reacting how it is, but let's wait. Gonna need to wait for closure, guys. Closure, closure, closure. You guys know the drill. Closure, closure, closure. With this strong of displacement, though, it might be a little iffy to trade, but we'll give it some time. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Let me turn down my mic. See this 7 minutes for its closure. If this closes above this candle, I may I'll keep my eyes out. I don't think I'll click any buttons, but I'll keep an eye out. But we're gonna need that. We're gonna need closures. We're gonna need closures. We have 15-minute SMT. Would you wait for a 5-minute to confirm the move higher? I wait for the 15 to close first too, by the way, because this 15-minute candle that created the sequential SMT has not closed yet. So keep that in mind. Like if all markets just drop and take out that 15-minute sequential SMT, well, you don't have 15-minute anymore, right? So wait for that closure. Hope that answers your question, Esteban. Good morning. Eli took a short, hit TP based on NQ being a premium on the daily. Reaction to the bearish OPs 1 hour, saw 1 hour rate on targeting let it low. Oh, that's good. Yeah, good target, man. I was kind of looking for something similar, but it was already too late for me. So I was like, I'm not gonna get in a trade now. I got on the charts a little too late for a move like that. So yeah, that's chill. What's your buys for the rest of the day? Can't hear me. Let me turn myself up. Okay, is this a little better? Sorry. Okay. Buys for the rest of the day. I'm looking for well, right now, immediately, we're looking pretty bearish. But I would like to look for some what's it called, bullishness intermediately. So this is like kind of what I want to see from YM. So now I'm just waiting for this 15-minute closure. As I said, guys, see how it moved down a bit more. It's good that we're waiting, right? So wait for this 15-minute closure, and then I'll consider something. I'll have to like if this closes as a precision candle, precision swing point, maybe with a 1 minute sequential S&P, which does, let's see, 45. Yeah, it's possible. Then I would potentially look for something, but there's nothing to do for at least 4 minutes, guys. Sounds like you're whispering. Let me turn it up a bit. Is it better now? Is it better? Check 1 2 3. Check 1 2 3. If we close above this order block, I'll take a stab. Right here. One more candle. And there's also 3 minutes, so I have to wait for 3 minutes. Let's see what we can get. Three, two, one. I think I'm willing to take a stab. Oh, I'm too low. Yikes. Let me go on the futures desk. 1 minute. Thank you. Could buy 2. I cannot buy 2. Let me sell 1. I could very much not buy 2. There you go. That's what I'm looking at. Previous day high. Let's see. 23,062. Let's do that a little under. All right. Is my audio better? Let me try to fix my audio. Boom, 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 boom. Audio better? Yes, no, maybe so. I hope so. I'm willing to take a bullet here. 1 minute structure looks good. We just swept previous session low, right? And yeah, extra confirmation would be this candle closing the way it is, pretty much. Low? It's still low? Yikes. Let me turn it up more. Is this better? Better. Check. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I just realized it tapped Asia already. Oops. I said I was keeping an eye on that, and I didn't even keep an eye on that. That's kind of my bad. Not the most ideal closure, but that's what it is. Yikes. I'll be done for the day. I'm just gonna take one bullet today, to be honest, just because it's a Monday and we had Friday was bank holiday, you know, just PHs. Bleh. You know? I don't know, there could be a move in the PM. But I don't think I'd be interested in it anyways, if there was, so. It's a good thing I didn't go balls in with frickin' two minis, huh? Balls to the walls. Balls to the wall. Please. Do. Barely able to hear. Is it low for everyone else too? Sounds like whispering. What the heck? It's fine. Okay. Cool. Wearing shorts? Okay. Good luck. If your model's there, man. I have a model there, but I think like I'm practicing. Oh, okay, gotcha. I have a model there, but it's just what's it called? The timing and market conditions is not really in my favor today, and also we're just like kind of order flow wise pretty bearish, at least temporarily. I think we'll struggle to go higher until we take out the low of Friday 655. A lot of failure swings around there. Yeah, let me see. Friday 655. I see what we're talking about. See, we're just gonna go lower. Potentially. Am I still in it? I should be still in this. I'm expecting Friday to get taken out for our S&P forming soon, 10 a.m. with a lot EM. On the 5 minute, I see. I want previous day low sequential SMT in the 4-hour gap. Yeah, that'd be nice. That would be very nice. I should still be in this. Let's see. Yeah, I'm still in this. Cool. I didn't put my stop in a weird spot, did I? And technically it should be like here. There we go. That's where it should be technically. can see it. Anyways, I'm gonna get some water. I'll be right back. Good luck, guys. Alrighty, I'm back. Is people still in the short? If you're in the short, I hope you took TB. And if not, I hope it goes your direction. Either way. There we go. Right here. Let's see what happens. That was loud. Session sequential ST. Yo, what's good, Mitch? Talk your entry was due to session SMG sequential SMT. Yes. So I do use a little bit of a different model for long as well. It's a little bit different from Ethan's, but because there is a previous session low sequential SMT, we swept that previous session low, and then also there is what I would take it off of was this for value gap and closure above this order block wick, which there was, and then you put your swing point, and then you put your stop at the swing point low, right? So that like created the move. So that was what I did, and that's what I see, and I'm gonna hold to it. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Took TV already considering another short if we react to the 5-minute 30 OB and then target Friday lows. Alright, gotcha, bro. Gotcha. Got your plan in mind. Stick to your plan, bro. And if it doesn't show up, then it doesn't show up. If it does, you know, take it, bro. It's gonna be good. I'm not sure if it can happen all in one day, but I'd be looking for previous day high in validation because it's just chop there, and it's just too early in the week for, in my opinion, to have a valid 90-minute that high. But I don't know. We'll see. We had some bearish order flow earlier in the morning, so if it's respected, then I could see us going a bit lower. So I think that 5-minute order block plan is not a bad one. I mean, no plan's a bad one as long as you're following it and statistically is profitable, right? So. Do I usually trade minis? On this account, yes. It's an Eval, but it's also a larger account. So the drawdown for this is 6K, right? So that's why I trade that's why I'm trading mini. Usually I do micros, like I do, but I've recently just been, I've noticed that I've been doing like 10 to 20 micros. So I was like, okay, I might as well just do a mini or two. Save me on some commission. On 50K accounts, I don't trade minis, by the way. This is like, technically this account is equates to like a 150K account. If you were to compare the drawdown to like top step drawdown, right? We're top 830. This is probably the OB we were looking at before, right? Wait. Something like that. I use micros. Micros for sure. I would never use minis on top step 50Ks. That's way too much. I don't even use more than like 5 micros max. I do a dollar fixed amount risk, but usually it's not even more than 5. Usually it's like 3 or 2. I don't know, on top set 50Ks. Anything more than my dollar fixed rate, like my $150 or $200 limit, is like gambling to me, honestly. And it's just that risk works for my model. It's a statistics, right? So that's why I don't like risk more or risk less, right? It just makes sense. Yeah, Ghost. Yeah, Ghost. Micros for sure. Micros for sure. This futures desk account counts as a 150K, so that's why. I still would usually do micros, but my risk right now is fine for a mini, so I don't see why not. I might scale another mini and then move. Stops a little more. Let's see. Yeah, I might scale another mini. It's a little bit higher risk, to be honest, but it's fine. Let's see. I don't even need it. There we go. I'd like to see them move in tandem now. If it creates a 90-minute high sequential S&T, I'll probably get out, to be honest. What made me want to scale in as well is 15-second sequential S&T, with also the fact that the 5-minute had no top wick, 1-minute change of state delivery. So it's like a little in a 5-minute RDRB, but yeah, just let it run. I'm a little bit more risk on with evals. If you guys couldn't tell, by the way, I would not do this on on my funded. On my funded, I just like enter like whatever the sizing for this is, like 1 micro, 2 micro, and I just let it run. If this creates a 5-minute order block, I would trail to it. That'd be ideal. But next candle would have to close above this wick, which might be a little harder, but we'll see. We'll see if that's the case. If not, this will be my one bullet for the day. Done for the day. Hop off, call it night. Oh, it's a night for me. I'm in Hong Kong right now, so. But, yeah, we'll see. Did it hit your order block? Who's the guy that was talking about order block? Oh, no, I did not. I did not hit order block. Wait, I should keep it at the original swing point. What am I doing? Original swing point. There we go. Caught it. This would be like a 2R. Not even, is it? Yeah, it's like a 2R. A little less than 2R. This 5 minutes gonna need some power. If it's gonna be a valid trailing point, that is. Let's see. If trades through the OB, I'll be done for the day. Alright, gotcha. Should be done anyway. I got my TP, but staying on out of curiosity. Okay, gotcha. I mean, yeah. If you're green on the day, take it, man. Today was a little bit of a rough read for me, so. Looks like I might be done early today. Which is nice. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Well, I actually did it on the second. All right. I'm done today. I was a little more impulsive than I'd like, but I mean, I guess in terms of intermediate, what's it called, in terms of intraday, kind of played out how it was. Right, a bit lower, take out that sell side that much earlier. Yeah, maybe we'll get previous day low, sequential SMT in that 4-hour gap, but I don't think I really want to take anything else for today. TBH. I'm gonna call it a day. Take my losses. Lock myself out. You know the drill. All good, all good. Thought we'd hit OB, but I think we reacted off the tiny for value gap at 840, which nested inside the breaker at 8 AM. Yeah, that could be very possible. I just did not want to take a trade based off of that. Because we still only have a 90-minute sequential SMT on the highs to trade off of technically, right? I still have no 90-minute or previous session high sequential SMT. So, all right. I think I'm gonna call it early stream today. Honestly, it's a Monday. Let price play out. Usually Mondays can help you determine how the rest of the week is gonna go. So, stay patient, guys. Yeah, the R was super poor on that trade, and yeah, for sure. Like there's not too much to back it up, in terms of sequential SMTs. And the start of every trade for me starts with at least a sequential SMT. So for me, yeah, I followed my plan. Maybe scaling in was a little impulsive, but 15-minute sequential SMT, right?
and then the model showed up for me on the lower time frame, right? So it is what it is. It can still go higher if I put it at this one point. But honestly, I don't like, even if it does go higher, I don't need to be a part of it. I'm good. I'm good on today. I'm good on this week. I was green last week. I'm sitting pretty. So I think I'm gonna hop off, call it night. It's 10 p.m. here, so I'm a little tired. Out all day. Are you interested in Asia or London low sequential SMD to take long? Yes, that's what my original trade idea is based off of. So wick to wick sequential SMT, dodges in 1 minute, and looked for order flow confirmation, right? So inversion fair value gap with inverted order block would be my entry. And I guess this would have been probably the better swing point to put my stop at, huh? But wait, what am I doing? Boom, boom, boom. You know, like something like that. You know, into previous day high. Right? Something like that. But honestly, it's not even worth, like, I don't know, I take my bullet, I scaled in too, so I definitely should not take another bullet. I'm done for the day. Mondays are tough. Are you interested? Yeah. I'd say Mondays are, honestly, for me, Mondays are better than Fridays. But yeah, Mondays are a little tough. Especially because we have bank holiday on Friday, right? I think normally Mondays are kind of okay to me. But I think with how Friday was, it's like, yeah. But yeah, I can still, like, let's see how the price plays out. But I can still, like, the model I'm looking at is still there. Just loading, get taken out over here. So technically, if I actually put it at the actual, like, furthest swing point right here, I'd still be in this trade. It'd be something like this, right? 90 minute. It would have been close. It would have been real close. I'll tell you that much. Like that, a little 2-hour thing right there. But I don't know. I can still take it out. Did I take it on M and Q? Actually, I'm curious. Let's see if I no, I didn't. Okay. Alright. I think I'm gonna hop off, guys. Thanks for tuning in, guys. More streams to come. I'm sorry, like, the audio was a little messed up and I had to move locations because my Wi-Fi kind of cut out a little bit. Yikes. But I'll be back. I'll be back tomorrow, 9:15 EST, every day. You guys know the drill. So I'll catch you guys later. Peace. Stay safe, by the way. Stick to your plan. Don't take more bullets than you need to. You guys know the drill, and then you guys will be profitable. Easy peasy. Later, Ghost. Take care, everyone.